How to turn off voicemail on Android. Hi everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're gonna learn how we can turn off voicemail on Android. So without any delay, let's start with the video. But before beginning, don't forget to hit that like, share, and subscribe icon. So let's start. First of all, you just need to open up your device. I'm opening using a Samsung device right now. So what you're going to do is simply head over to the phone application that is by default set on your app. You just need to go to the phone settings. After that, just by tapping on the three dot at the upper corner. After that, simply tap on settings. After tapping on it, you need to look up for the option called voicemail. In every device, there is an option called voicemail. When you head over to the settings of that phone application, just tap on voicemail. After that, here you can see voicemail number. So what you're going to do is, if you have set any number, either your SIM 1 or SIM 2 of any devices, what you're going to do is simply cancel out that number on tap on OK, and that number won't be, and after that, that number won't be on voicemail. So since I'm not set on voicemail, I don't need to do anything. But if you have set any voicemail number, you just need to tap, cross it out, cancel it out, and that should be turned off. So therefore, just follow that method and you should be able to turn off voicemail on Android device very easily. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.